So we all know that you've turned director with Sali Mohabbat, which is, I would say, your first feature as a director because you have directed before. You've
That's
directed
right.
a short film, Rubaru. So I just want to know how much was that a training ground for Sali Mohabbat, directing that short film? Is it a very different creature, which is a feature film? And basically, how did you think that this should be a feature and not a short film?
So there's three questions there.
Yeah.
So to answer the first question, was it a training ground? Yes, indeed it was. I made three short films:
Yeah.
Chutney, Churi, and Rubaru.
Hmm.
All three I acted in. Two I produced. All three I wrote, and Rubaru is the one that I directed.
Direct.
Um, but I was so closely involved with even Churi and Chutney, part of the edit, part of all decisions, whether they were creative, whether it was, crewing up for the films. So all of that really does help because whether you make a short film or a long film, it's a film.
Yeah.
And in Chutney, we made a very deliberate attempt to shoot it like a feature. We got Jay Oza, who's also
Yeah.
done Gully Boy and so many other wonderful films.
Made in Heaven.
Made in Heaven and all of that. So Oza and I shot 24 together. So this was before Gully Boy because
Yeah.
Chutney was 2016. And I asked him, I said, Oza, come do this for me. So he was like, okay, I have 4-5 days, so I'll do it for you. So like a friend, he did it for me. We used drones, we used so many things, which short films people didn't take it so seriously. But after Chutney, everyone became really serious about
Yeah.
short films.
Yeah.
For me, that was the first time I wrote anything for screen as a screenplay. And the fact that people connected with it so viscerally and so deeply actually gave me wings because I understood that, I can play this game. Because screenwriting is a game, a game that you play with the audience. What do you hold back and what do you
Sure.
show? And how do you play that? How much, how little? How do you take people around the bend? And then how do you bring them back? And how do you give them a dip and a high? So all of those things I learned from Chutney, Churi and Rubaru. Having said that, a feature film is a full other animal. So the number of questions people ask you is mind-numbing. It starts in the morning, even before you wake up. Your, direction team has this question, that question, that question, and they're random questions.
Like?
Like how high should the lamp be?
Oh.
Because eye line में नहीं आना चाहिए, तो ये ऊपर होना चाहिए, पर ऊपर से क्या ये top light आ जाएगी? So those गाड़ी का नंबर प्लेट का फॉन्ट का साइज क्या होना चाहिए? आई वाज लाइक, इज दैट आल्सो अ क्वेश्चन? लाइक क्या होता है फॉन्ट नॉर्मली? सेइंग नहीं, इस स्टेट में ऐसा होता है बिकॉज ऑल द एडीज आर रनिंग अराउंड रिसर्चिंग, तो उस स्टेट में ऐसा होता है. सो कलर क्या चाहिए नंबर प्लेट का? ऐसे कोई स्टैंडर्ड तो होता होगा ना. दे लाइक नहीं, यहाँ नहीं है, यू कैन डू ब्लैक ऑन वाइट और वाइट ऑन ब्लैक. एंड सो इट्स जस्ट अनदर एनिमल.
Yeah. But don't you have like a production designer for that?
You do, but the questions have to be answered by you because how do you want the frame? In certain shots, the car needed to be like the number plate needed to be in foreground. So then, did you need it to be bigger than normal, hyper real?
Yeah. So when was the time, which was the day or which was the moment that you felt at ease on the set of a feature film?
I was at ease.
Yeah.
I was not at disease because I knew the script really well. And at the end of the day, I kept telling my team, even if we place the camera simply and just tell the story simply, you all have heard the story. You all like the story. The story is the star. So if we put the camera simply and let the actors do their job, then we're okay. We don't need to complicate it further beyond a point. Some complication we need, but beyond a point, nahi karte usko because it doesn't lend itself to that kind of Fincher kind of shots के डस्टबिन के अंदर से कुछ निकल रहा है और वो किधर और चला गया है, and stuff like that. So we're not doing a visually complex tale. It's an emotionally complex tale. So you have to also know what kind of film you're setting out to make, right?